I'm an adoptive father of two boys. When my first son came home in 2002, we were still using film. By the time my second son came home, 2 years later, we had gone all digital. I made them both a life book, the story of their lives from birth to adoption, using photos, memorabilia, and text. My son's life books and other family albums and photo books have opened opportunities for conversation and bonding like nothing else. That started me on a journey to help other families tell their stories and pass on their legacy. I know firsthand the power of photos to tell stories. Growing up in a family that took home movies and still photos, I remember my great-grandparents because of watching the movies of them and looking at the family photo albums with my brothers as we were growing up. Telling stories is at the heart of my varied career, starting as a professional dancer. I worked in both ballet and modern, but dance is a young man's sport. I went on to co-found a not-for-profit organization, Christians in the Arts Networking, connecting artists and arts groups around the world. I spoke at several international arts conferences and helped organize 2 international arts festivals in St. Petersburg, Russia, and Sofia, Bulgaria. I also taught and was the business administrator for a church and K-8 school for several years. Whether through dance, arts administration, or teaching, the power of stories to move and mold lives continues to be a driving force in my life. So in 2011, I started PSG Photo Solutions, LLC, and joined the Association of Professional Photo Organizers. I want to leave a photo legacy for my family, and I'd love to help you leave one for yours as well.